Most people don't have money problem, rather they have spending problem. Listen, it's not about how much you make, but it is about how you manage what you make. Most people depend on motivation to save, but motivation fades. Discipline lasts. That's why most people promise to save but never do. Not because they are lazy, but because they lack a well laid out plan to follow. There is a simple budget rule that fixes all this, the rule of 50-30-20. Let's start with the first section, the most important one, 20%. 20% of your income goes to saving and investing. This is the money that you pay to your future in order to secure your future. Because the only person who can take care of the old you is the young you. Okay, we move to the next section, the section of 30%. 30% of your income goes to wants. Now, what are wants? Wants are things that we desire, things that make living enjoyable. That is where your allocation of 30% of your income goes to. And we come finally to the last part, the 50% of your income. 50% of your income goes to needs. These are things that we cannot do without: rent, water, food, and all that. 50% of your income is allocated to all those needs. Let's look at why this rule works like magic. First, it eradicates guessing because you have already an established plan of how your money goes to. 50% goes here, 30% goes here, 20% goes here. Now, the second thing is it enables one to build wealth. Allocating that 20% to saving gives one an opportunity to build wealth early. And the third importance of this rule is it stops overspending because you have already a clear plan on how each and every coin of yours goes to. Therefore, there is no chances of overspending. That is it, simple and clear. If you start now, in about 6 months, your finances will look completely different. Therefore, start now, not next month. That is it for today, guys. If you find any value in this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, as this tells YouTube that this video is worth it, and therefore it will suggest it to many more people. And don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, please do. That is it for today, guys. Make sure to watch this next video where to invest the 20%. With that all being said, peace.